In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to limit post revisions in WordPress. Now, if you've ever edited a post in WordPress, you might have noticed that the platform saves multiple revisions of your content. While this feature can be handy for tracking changes or restoring previous versions, over time, it can also clutter your database and slow down your site's performance. That's exactly why controlling the number of revisions is essential, and one efficient way to do that is by using a WordPress plugin. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. The first thing you'll want to do is install a plugin that's specifically designed to manage post revisions. Start by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. From there, head over to the Plugins section and click on Add New. In the search bar, type in a keyword such as WP Revisions Control or Companion Revision Manager. These are both popular plugins known for their reliability and efficiency. Take a moment to review the options presented. It's always a good idea to select a plugin that is highly rated and frequently updated to ensure compatibility and support. Once you've found a plugin that meets your criteria, go ahead and click on Install Now. This process will download the plugin to your WordPress site. After the installation is complete, you'll see an option to activate the plugin. Click this to make the plugin active and available on your site. With the plugin now activated, it's time to configure its settings according to your needs. You'll want to navigate to the plugin's settings page. Depending on the plugin you've chosen, you might find these settings under the settings menu in your WordPress dashboard. Some plugins may also create their own menu item or fall under the writing settings. Take a few moments to familiarize yourself with the layout. The key feature you're looking for is the ability to set a limit on the number of revisions WordPress keeps for each type of content, whether it's posts, pages, or other post types. In the plugin's interface, you should see fields where you can specify your desired limit. This control allows you to balance the convenience of having past revisions with the efficiency of a cleaner, faster database. After you've set the number revisions to your preference, make sure everything is saved correctly. Look towards the bottom of the settings page. There should be a Save Changes button. Clicking this will apply your new settings, effectively limiting the number of revisions WordPress saves from this point forward. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully streamlined your WordPress database, improving your website's performance and maintainability. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to ask in the comments section below.